Canon is gearing up to release a camera that could revolutionize sports photography, and the buzz around the Canon R6 Mark III is reaching a fever pitch. In this video, we dive into all the leaks, rumors, and analysis about this potential powerhouse. Let's unpack everything you need to know, and whether it's wise to wait or to upgrade now. Release timeline and expectations. Originally targeted for Q1 2025, the R6 III slipped, but now reports suggest a August 2025 launch is in play. Enthusiasts and professionals alike are setting their calendars. Canon's aim? To maintain the R6 series legacy of delivering outstanding performance and value. Sensor and image performance. Rumored to feature a 24MP stacked CMOS sensor, similar to the one in the flagship R3. This would mark a major advancement over the non-stacked sensor in the R6 II. The stacked design allows for incredibly fast readout speeds, reducing rolling shutter, critical for capturing high-octane sports shots. Faster readouts also open doors to superior autofocus tracking and burst shooting, game-changing for sports photography. Burst shooting and processor leak. Specs indicate the R6 May 3 incorporate Canon's next-gen Digic accelerator processor, enabling blazing fast up to 30 frames per second continuous raw shooting. That's right, 30 raw frames per second. This level of speed can make a huge difference when chasing fast-paced action on the field. In-body image stabilization, IBIS. Canon fans know the R6 II already delivers solid stabilization, but the R6 III is rumored to push that further, adding bonus ranges up to 12 stops, versus the R6 II's 8 stops. This refined IBIS could significantly enhance handheld shooting in dim lighting and deliver sharper results without depending on gimbals. Battery grip and ergonomics. One of the key perks of the R6 II? Compatibility with a battery grip, delivering better battery life, balance, and quiet portrait shooting. Rumors suggest Canon won't change course here. Expect the R6 III to support an official battery grip, a must-have feature for serious users. Price and availability. The anticipated retail price? Canon is likely to launch the R6 III at a range similar to the R6 II's launch price. Of course, global economic factors, tariffs, supply chain slowdowns, fluctuating demand, could shift that. But early estimates lean toward a familiar price point, unless unexpected costs arise. Memory card support with stacked sensor readout speeds, handling data flows is essential. Rumors suggest Canon may upgrade at least one of the dual card slots to CF Express Type B, while likely keeping the second as UHS-2 SD. That hybrid setup gives more flexibility and ensures top-tier performance at high burst speeds. Should you wait or upgrade? R6 II owners, if you're content with current rolling shutter performance, the R6 II is still a beast. But if you crave faster burst rates, deeper stabilization, and pro-level ergonomics, the R6 III looks like a serious leap forward. For first-time buyers eyeing serious sports or wildlife capture, it may pay to wait for the R6 III. At or near R6 II launch prices, you'll get much more processing power, stability, and speed, without breaking the bank. Final take. The Canon R6 III. Rumor mill is delivering serious excitement: stacked sensor, synthetic acceleration, 30 frames per second raw, and 12-stop IBIS. These features could make it a true powerhouse for sports and action photography. Add in battery grip support and faster card compatibility, and you've got a compelling package. If you're already shooting with the R6 II and demanding more speed, sharper tracking, and better stabilization, the R6 III could absolutely be worth the wait. On the other hand, if you're happy with your results and not chasing cutting-edge specs, the R6 II remains an exceptional performer. Thanks for tuning into Techno Trend Zone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Canon rumors and want more camera insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Let me know in the comments if you're holding out for the R6 III, upgrading, or sticking with the R6 II. Until next time, keep shooting, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.